We know, man. Yeah, if you look at the direction and tell the man left, you might look to him right. To your right. Yo, it's safer if you call out the coordinates, you know, honestly.
Infiltrate, engage, and destroy.
Probably States. One change my controller about right. I did. Alright, me see. Yeah, man a forward, man. At least one team. Alright. Well, I will drop one place. Alright, that's so. First thing fine right now is a blow. Go on. Well, drop there. Get some out of this real quick. Who that? Oh. Yeah, man.
Potential collapse detected. Advise relocation to indicated
two in
safe
there.
zone.
Oh, Eddie, dip on your way. Yo, and drop the what you saying, dog. No, man, I walk me long time. Whole thing left in there is a blow, what you call it again? Ammo. My SDM motor is still right there, so I'm jump by SDM. Yeah. Man ain't catch Eddie. Which way? Can I mark for him up? Oh, you're dead. That's class. Oh, you jump shot. Far? Mind that shit annoying me, dog, I swear. I know. Okay, this thing, sometimes I cover them and get the luckiest kill off of here in my youth. I don't know. I'll go them. What they are. Are you the man shoot over? Oh, you're over here, so.
Circle collapse imminent. So. Get to safety.
Take care of yourself, Eddie. Take your bike and go on, Eddie. Take your bike. You know, Eddie. Your name again? Biggs. See both of them over here, so. See you, man. We can't see him again, the boy. Boy, back up. No, man, I do, man. Since I'm off to go past here now. Oh, me? I'm on two boy over here, so you know, man. That I'm sure it is. Yeah, because them have to come over here, so.
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
Oh, that fight there. Yeah, man, right, so too. In there, sir. No, man, that's a more keep on the move, you know. The boy in this. Not. Bombo Yo. Yo. The man shell me down with the shotty, dog. Yo. Knock him, man. Yo, the man shell me down with the shotty, dog. I swear. Money. Start coming money. Shoot off. True, true. So money. Kill him on now. Come on for your deep. Run over him, man. Run over him, man. Run over him. Run over him. Yo, finish him. Yeah. Come on for that, dog. Come on for that, dog. Blue. Everyone, come on for that. Ideally, I move slight, man. Wow. Yo, dog. Yo. Dog. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Oh, catch. Nah, man, you can't catch neither, man. What you talk about? You the one. You the one. no, dog. In here, you hear the man? Down, 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 down. Yeah, look down, look down. Yeah, look down, look down. See him there? Follow him, man. Follow him, man. Yo, Dilly afraid. Yo, the man afraid, you know, dog. Not shoot, we say follow him.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety. Supply drop inbound.
Switch it back, man, yeah. But the running down here, man. It's a one dopey. Yeah. Yeah, why did you run off him too late, man? It's a open still there. Like a different man, yes. That's so yeah, clean. You can see, you can match up the man outfit. Nah, I tell you. How long do you wait? Now wait upon. No, you know stop money. You know stop. Yo, go down look a bit more. To your left. Go on. You can just follow, you can follow through on Rivertown, see man, edge circle, man. Yeah, watch out right there, so.
Further collapse expected. Travel to indicated safe zone.
Come in, Dilly. Don't be silly. Any boy violate you, kill you. Yeah, but you better close range, man. You I rather the car dirt than the sag close range. Not this, nothing. That's what bad man. Bomb na! Dilly move youth.
Sit rep.
See him.
Imminent. Get to safety.
Oh yo, Dilly now fire one shot it. Yo. the man shooting nobody. Starmer come in, so you have to move. See you, get that up here. Go on out the film. Ratty Dilly can't kill us so. Yo! Sign up, man. Yo, Dilly, you can't move like you're afraid of them game, man, you know? Whole thing is just not respawn, you can't move like you're afraid of. Move aggressive more while, man. Yeah, you have to play smart. Murder, murder. Up top. I tell you, dog.
I make my own luck.
I tell you, General. Oh, I did a joke, dog. I swear. I want more kill one man for that, but we get the easy kill it, but they take them, man. I tell you. Yeah, man. If you get the easy kill, man, but they take them. Oh yeah, alloy. Somebody different join. Abigs. Wait, so, oh really one. Yeah, the pipe. Oh, that weird dog. Oh yeah, going on. Asylum. I could do it, no?
Mission area is hot. Weapons free.
Lancer 1-2 above
The
the
station I
area.
got,
Go,
you know.
go,
Anywhere no
go.
one go stay. Don't know, I'm a bad man that go out here without fear, you know. Over asylum. Over asylum, dog. Yeah, man. I tell you. So, I know in job so blow fast and it. Ah, boy. I drop a roof and then slide off. There's nobody else there with me. So far. I know in game and stay man I go always there. And then catch up on the land. Yeah. Somebody man in dog, I swear. I hate them man youth. You know me hate dog. When you shoot off a man and somebody just a box in your face dog. You think I know in your freak dog. Same thing.
Might want this.
Right, man. Man, you're fully loaded, man. Watch out, man. Soon last night I blow me is there. Oh, yeah. Me have a sniper scope here. Oh, level 2 again. Don't blow nearly. Last night I blow me as the dog. I don't share sniper scope, I got all of space. Money.
Sit rep. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
I don't know what drop this man. Couldn't me hear somebody. Oh, are you are running? Alright. Can't be too below. Bug over here, sir, no bigs.
You might want this.
Hmm. No, I know me hear somebody, man. Man over here upon me here. Man over here upon me in the upstairs. Yeah, which part me there? Him alone me see up here still. Take what me say a while ago. I can't follow me, get for rush him. In case he drop me. Find him. Catch him. Me catch him. You with your brighty, man. Yo, backpack there, you know, man. Them. Again. Alright. Oh, that one. Hit that.
Supply drop inbound.
You with your brighty down, can run in pan bad, man. Yeah, boy, you fast, so. The man grab the charm quick. Fast. No man, yeah though. Keep man. Yeah that boy. Put down too. Uncle, you're soft. I hate man. Put on this one it. I need a sniper scope there again there. When I search out asylum again same way. Alright. How much? Just one? Oh, we must censor that. Better back off. Put up a sensor that. Oh, come. Just right. Dilly, where you there? Dilly. Forward, man. I see him building there with the killer boy.
Be advised, further collapse expected. Relocate to safe zone.
Oh, he ain't on the roof. Shit, dog, man. They might touch me up your fuck. One in the yard, same way. See, man. One up on the roof, see me, one in the yard. See me in the front yard. I come up. They're right at the wall here, so. Yeah man. Fire catch him blow too.
Supply drop inbound.
This is why I'm not like. You're right. I come get him. I have you, man. I come with you, man. Where next one there? Yo, Dilly, try get up bigs. See me? In dead. Pick up bigs. Squad wipe, you know, out here. You know, take it, yes? One on you want it. But you know what I give me that, alright. I'm just take it. Yo, nobody know on the silencer. The suppressor in the back there. Yeah, talk about. Yeah, I know that. Here's some shot about, you know. When that small so I can see him with. Alright. Paranoia. Alright, cool. Like, brother, man gonna hide and dead now, look kind of like a dirty dog.
Further collapse expected. Travel to indicated safe zone.
Right now. If we keep it. Yeah. I have to just hold it here now. No, sir. Some bit. Want a magazine for this now, I'm good. Bombard. Max then you gotta drop the blow. Sure, man. Yo, hot caught there right to say, you know.
Collapse imminent. Get to safety.
No, but me I say a man could have there. Yeah, that was hot caught there. come. So quad right to saying that so. Yeah man then stay close here. Oh, the one with the river town is so. Yeah man.
Supply drop inbound.
Come to it. Asylum again same way. Yo, Lily, watch out going back out to from Ijo way to here, do.
Be advised, further collapse expected. Relocate to safe zone.
Alright, minutes nobody behind now, yeah? Finish him man. In dead. Dilly, where you there?
Last man standing. Bring this home.
Ah. Biggs, you should have catch a man, man, Biggs. Why do you give up up here then man? I wanna get at you now. Come in Biggs, are you can jump out there again? See man. Say good dog. I mean I tell Biggs to jump out of the blow game man cause we don't dead out it. Tell you say any vote me here there man Biggs. Eddie, kick it off now Eddie.
Orders received. Moving on mission.
take out the killer, you know. Say good dog. Yeah, the man would have pushed that dog.
Blackout.
You'll never get on this level.
Alright, where we are go? Brother boil right here now.
Mission clock is running. Go, go, go.
We're cleared to drop.
It's alright.
Bail on your go.
That's true, man. Train station? Or somebody now make it? Be a madness, yo. Be a madness, go on, yes or no, you know. Buff, man. Yeah, man, I go to you there. Yeah, man, I'm there for you, so man. Just grab a gun first. Bombo clot. Yo, no, the man see me dog. Blood clot. Yo. Go. Bombo clot. Bombo clot.
Sit rep. Potential collapse detected.
Yo, look straight Eddie. Yo, Eddie, back on you.
Zone is advised.
No, dog. Come get that gun too late, General. Man, we can't manage the train station. You mean Biggs? Finish him now, Biggs? Yeah, man. I'm making get way, man. Making friend king. Reload the shot. Reload the shot, Biggs. Yeah, man. That will just blow up some steam, man. Come on, what else? Hey, Biggs, no. Yeah. The dog said, Baba, we like your name, Mohammed Ali. Well, Biggs, we made say it's a shot you have, you know. Depends on how far still. Big saying there, Baba and weave. You know what even sweeter when you survive them drop there. Alright. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you, next thing I do is enter all I dead. Just do nothing to business, Biggs do him thing. I'm gonna show him how to survive. I get us do your thing. Anyway, I laugh before, but I laugh before you then. What talk about? Joke, man. A joker, you know? Put in the good shit in my veins. Acha, put in the good shit in my veins, yo. Yeah, man.
Blackout.
Where are we going? Nuke the town. Alright, we could do it now.
Consider all contacts hostile.
Hurricane 2-3 approaching drop zone. Bay doors open.
Oh dear, oh dear. Alright, know what I already have, and I knew Tony Mago. Good youth. Look around if see nobody have found, you know. Alright, so far I don't see nobody else. I don't see nobody have found neither. Over here, sir. Yeah, I don't see nobody else neither. I would jump with me. I would there with me. One. Bombona, no friend, I'm so general. Yo, say, I say, man, meet Jesus, you know. You're afraid. Say, no, I'm not going. Something better.
Sit rep. Potential collapse detected. Relocation to indicated safe zone is advised.
Nobody there underground? I lie. Sniper scope there, you know, who's there now, man, you want sniper scope. Man.
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
What is that? Right now, go underground. Right. Bomba, if you cut in there, you chop on there. Why not make sense to go under there, yeah, man? No really make sense to go under there, man. I'm not going under there. Minus none. Oh, I'm paladin. You want a paladin, Eddie? No, he was a man low snipe, you know. Take this and this.
Circle collapse imminent.
Oh,
Get to
yes,
safety.
yeah. I'm going to grow now and so I go and reap it. Mark it, man. In the house where I go, yeah. I know, so I pass 1 time 7 I pick it up. But too bad in the dam, I'm not going to grow now. Much as more I go to the dam, I'm not going now. 5 perks, space in top, 8, 5. Why you with that? 5. I'm ready because I'm there, man. Come on, there's a bug right now, dog. I do right now. No, so a vehicle of dirt so still it's up on the road. A vehicle of dirt is. Well, that's Addy man on the boat. I'm say, what out? Yo, my little down big. Oh, I'm scared. Yeah, man. Go on, the road. Far, where I go still, you know? Me bombard. I can't find a bug yesterday, dog. Need a bug, dog. Need a blow, dog. Yeah, man. Come on now. Ah, see bug, yeah? Nah, no. ABR. One mobile code so you can go on. Wait, so the two man ain't gonna left me? I joke this. I joke this. Alright, go on. Then I had to spray can the friend. Well, I just say, yeah, man, I did it there now. I blow old trap, dog. From where?
Further collapse expected. Travel to indicated safe zone.
Come on, if I boat you know, man. Oh, idea, are you that? Ah. And he go the whole of your sorry dog, I joke this. I did like him not come back right you know. Yeah man, yeah man. Hey, see that? The man get Rex and run gun. A joke. Man, look at go pick the man Rex and run gun. So now give me a gate back, General.
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
Eddie, where you there? Where you there? Oh, the man there outside of me. See it, come on, boy, big dog. Hear the man, man. Hear the man. General, I'm not shooting on back, dog. Yeah, dog.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Yeah, man. I see him. On that drop while ago. Boy. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm gonna crawl while I go to your house. The big house. I mean, somebody is there, so. Behind our way. Finish him, though. But not to loot him back, dog. Fuck the next boy. Yo, no, I regroup on right, so dog. So we can get something out of the boy, bag. Shoot in case in friend there, so. I'm deep in the bag real quick. Yeah, man. Move off, yeah. Get something out of the bag real quick. Boom. Watch him boy up on the bike, you know. Boom, boy, man, take over the hill like. Straight dog.
Further collapse expected. Travel to indicated safe zone.
Plus, I'm have to come that way over there right now, you know. Man, take it out. I watch it, man.
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
Yo, see two man run go over the hill, let's say, you know, southeast 130, then the way over there so still, over turbine way. Yeah, may I come, yo, when you can move in for me still, no dog.
Circle
Which house, which color?
imminent. Get to safety.
In a different direction may I come from. Alright. They must have take a swim come across or something that the whole way they might come across, yes or no. Bigs are in there, the bigs. A bad man. Bigs forward cross, no bigs. Can't stay on there for long though. But then they not, them not good, them not good boat then if them know over them man. Cause they not come over yet. I want some perks we use, dog. I want around 2 more perks to get that boy out. Just
Be
to use
advised. Further collapse expected. Relocate to safe zone.
Which one me there? Okay, okay. Oh, I see him, I see him.
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
One I didn't drop, one I didn't drop.
Circle collapse.
Touch him,
imminent.
man. Yeah, touch
Get
him
to
up, man.
safety.
One more left over there, dog. Touch up one while ago, wicked. See me up on the roof, see him. Ah, I drop one. I drop one. Then dead? Alright, alright. Yo, I'm gonna shoot off of me, you know. I'm gonna shoot off of me, you freak. Yeah. Alright, bullshit then. Naru? Okay. That's the first one. I bought enough. Come out neither that, no. One jump out, me see him. I shoot that one with jump out, you know. Bonad. It's everything. Yeah. Which part behind now? Look at me. Alright, we'll go push him now.
Be advised. Further collapse expected. Relocate to safe zone.
Dilly, man, I shoot off on the house again. John. Yo, they ain't think they're rough, you know, dog. Yo, the boy have to come out of the house now. Forward, man, Dilly, forward.
Circle collapse imminent.
I remember you have them
Get
money
to
back out
safety.
with you, you know, dog. Hurry up and try to take out the money. I know, man. Be careful, man, Dilly. Be careful over there. You know. Them dead. Come in, Dilly. Them dead. Come, Dilly, come. Them dead. Bomb, Mr. Brother, dog. Shit, man. Me not kill next one. I miss him, dog. It's the fucking shot, dog. Ah, shit, man. Damn.